Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making some super scrumptious and romantic little treats for you or your loved one on Valentine's Day. These red velvet pancakes are so fluffy and rich and so totally adorable. For your batter, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, ½ cup of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix all of your dry ingredients. Then you will add 1/2 cup of almond milk, 1 flax egg or regular egg, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Whisk it all together to get a yummy chocolatey batter. Next, you will add red food coloring. Add in a few drops and mix it in, adding a little more as you go until you get the color you want. Next, you will scoop some batter and place it in a pan on medium heat. Wait until the batter starts to bubble up to flip. For your icing, you will need 1 cup of cream cheese. I am using a non-dairy one, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk it all together until it becomes a nice, soft and sticky consistency. I like to top these off with some icing, berries, and chocolate chips. This is a perfect way to wake up and celebrate love. If y'all make this, please tag me on Instagram. I love seeing your creations. I'll see you guys next week for another yummy recipe.